put my mind on it, then I put my grind on.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fatu, and if this is your first time seeing my face, do not forget to hit that subscribe button right down there. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on one of my videos once again. So today's video is actually an unboxing from Addie Grace Hair on AliExpress. I ordered some bundles from them, I believe like 2 days ago. Yeah, so the shipping was really quick. It actually arrived this morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna do an unboxing. You guys will get another video once I make the bundles into a wig, and then you guys will get like more reviews. Like if you are a subscriber, you know how my reviews go. I do unboxings, I do 1 month reviews, 2 month reviews, 3 month reviews, and all of that jazz. So here is the package right here that came this morning. It came via FedEx, like super fast. I believe this hair was shipped the first day that I ordered it, so that was really quick. They wrote me as soon as I ordered. They asked if my address and everything was correct. Not many companies do that, just in case, you know, they end up getting the wrong address or you don't get your stuff on time. Alright, so I'm gonna open this. I'm not sure what's in here, but it just says Addie Grace. I'm not. Ooh. Alright. Alright, so the hair just comes in these regular plastic bags. And it comes with this little card right here as well. Oh, this way. Also, this is basically like their information card, where you can follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And I believe, oh, and they also have like a PayPal reward system. I'm guessing like if you do reviews on YouTube for them, you get back money and stuff like that. Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that. I don't know. But I purchased this with my own money, so most likely I won't be doing that because I have a channel and I'm really trying to like make sure my reviews and everything are legit, you know. Okay, so the other card that came in there, I'm guessing, yeah, these are just instructions on how to take care of the hair, as you can see. Yeah, just regular. I've seen this in every other company that I've done unboxings for. The closure right here is 14 inches and the bundles are 16 inches each. So yeah, I saw this hair while I was scrolling through AliExpress, and it was I've heard of Addie Grace before. I've just never tried their hair, but I've watched some reviews. I don't remember coming across any bad review from Addie Grace Hair, but you know, who knows. So yeah, I ordered these ombre burgundy bundles. You guys see that? The color is actually really nice, like really nice. It's not too intense. It's actually very, you know, it's like a regular ombre burgundy, but the burgundy is like very subtle, as you can see. Like you can see it compared to my 1B hair. I'm gonna call it 1B, but you know, it's just natural. And yeah, it's just very subtle. Matches my shirt. Yeah, matches my shirt. It's really the perfect color. Okay, so yeah, this is the first bundle. Right away I'm noticing like it's a lot of split ends on like the wefts. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me try and get this. I don't know, but I'm noticing a lot of split ends, like a lot of short pieces in the bundle. That's not a good thing. Like that is not a good thing. But yeah, so the whole time I'm running my fingers through it. I haven't gotten any shedding. The only thing I'm seeing right now that I'm not liking is how each weft has really split pieces of hair. Like, yeah, the ends is okay, I guess, but I can see like it looks like they just try to fill it up with short pieces just to make it seem like a little thicker. But yeah, whatever. This is the first bundle. It hasn't shed anything. Oh, and I also got this in straight. You can see it's a little bent at the end, but that's just from being in the, what is it, in the packaging. That's just from being in the packaging. I'll just straighten it in another video. I'm gonna open up the second bundle so we can see if that one is in good shape as well. And I forgot to check like the wefts on the other bundle, so we're gonna check the wefts on this bundle. Okay, so this one has the same problem with the little split ends all over the freaking bundle. That's actually really irritating. I've gotten bundles from AliExpress before and none of them had that, not yet anyway. So I already know, like, once I make it into a wig and everything, I'm gonna need like a flyaway tamer because of all these little split ends that's like just literally all over the bundle. Like, it's gonna be really irritating. And for some reason it looks like they worked on the ends, but they just filled up here with all the little short pieces. But anyway, this is how the weft looked. Carries a lot of hair like this. Looks like it's pretty thick enough. The bundles itself, I wish I would have bought 4 bundles, but the deal was with 3 bundles. So yeah, it was just, the deal was 3 bundles and a closure for a specific price, so I just got that. But I wish I could have bought like an additional bundle because straight hairs tends to be like on the thinner side because it's straight. Like body weight hair, that hair seems to be thicker and it gives you more volume. This hair is more flat, so it's straight hair, so it's gonna be laying flat. So I really wish I would have bought an extra bundle so my hair really could have been full, but it's whatever. We'll see how the wig turns out. But for my liking, like straight hair, I would want it to be really thick and not thin, you know. But yeah, the whole time I was running my fingers through it as well. I haven't gotten any shedding yet whatsoever. Nothing's come out, and the hair's, it's pretty soft, you know. I can say that it's pretty soft so far. The only problem I'm having is these split ends, and that's it. The hair seems to be in good condition. It didn't come all raggedy like I've seen some unboxings. They've looked completely crazy, but so far the hair looks really nice. So I'm gonna check the last bundle, the third bundle. So like I said, it just came in a regular plastic. So here's the third bundle. I never showed you guys, like the packaging is actually really cute. Just says Ali Brace. It's a 16-inch bundle. Yeah, it's actually very cute. So yeah, here's the bundle, 16 inches. So you can see, it's gonna be like right here, steps right here for me. I didn't really want any long hair. It's the summertime, you guys. So that is, you guys know, I like long inches, but it's the summertime and I really don't need all that hair on me. But yeah, honestly, I'm in love with the hair color. Like the color itself is so subtle, but so you still know like the burgundy, like, you know, I don't know, it's nice. But of course you can see the split ends here way better than before. So this is the split ends I was talking about. It's way too many for my liking. I really wish they would have just, you know, kept it real healthy looking from top to bottom. But yeah, it's a lot of split ends in this bundle, but I guess the ends is fine. It really looks like they just worked on the ends, but the hair looks really nice. overall. This bundle, pretty thick, pretty thick. Of course, I wish it was, this part was thicker, but I can't complain. The hair looks nice overall. Yeah, no, I already said my problem about this hair. So yeah, this piece hasn't shed either, but you know, you can't really get a full review on hair just from an unboxing. You know, you can see how they package it and everything. The way they packaged it is pretty cute. It's just regular, but their packaging style and stuff is cute. So the closure was 14 inches, I believe. Yeah, 14 inches, because the bundles was 16. And it was a 3-part closure. Whoa, I already see something I don't like. Okay, so here's one thing. This freaking closure got like the color on it, like it's stained. But I guess I should be grateful. At least it's not stained over here. If it was stained over here, this would be a problem, because then you would see it on my scalp. But it's stained down here, which makes no sense because this part is the brown part, but whatever. So this part right here is stained with the color. I will need to pluck this thing so I could lay down flatter on my head. I already know. I'm also gonna bleach it because it's not bleached. Okay, so I think that's the whole unboxing. You guys will get another review on this hair once I make it into a wig. Of course, I'm gonna wash it as well, because I always wash my hair. You don't know what it's been through. So before I put it on my head, I'm gonna wash it, make it into a wig, and then I will be back for a full review on the wig. Get a better look at this. Here is all 3 bundles. Looks pretty nice. 3 bundles plus the closure. That stain is irking me, but all 3 bundles plus the closure. It looks really pretty actually. So yeah, can't wait to make this into a wig. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure you also click that notification bell to make sure you get my notification for when I post the video on this hair again. You guys usually get like 2 to 3 videos per bundles. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think I said that already, but yeah, and also follow me on all my social media platforms. You can write me, I write back.